Welcome back to another episode of Getting Sexy Back, the podcast where we empower you to reclaim your vitality and confidence, one step at a time. I'm your host, Anna, and today we're diving into a simple yet powerful habit that can transform your health: drinking hot water every day. Sounds too easy to be true, right? Well, stick with me and you might just be surprised at the benefits that await you. So why hot water? We often hear about the importance of hydration. But did you know that drinking hot water can offer unique benefits beyond what cold or room temperature water can provide? Today, I'll be walking you through the top 10 reasons why incorporating hot water into your daily routine is a game changer for your health. Hot water is excellent for digestion. It helps to break down food more effectively, which can ease the digestive process and reduce discomfort from issues like bloating and indigestion. Think of it as a gentle nudge to get things moving in your system. Drinking hot water raises your body temperature, which can lead to sweating, a natural way for your body to expel toxins. This is especially beneficial first thing in the morning, setting a detoxifying tone for the rest of your day. Imagine starting every morning with a clean slate, your body already working to rid itself of impurities and setting you up for a day of feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Now on to benefit number 3. Hot water can boost your metabolism. Imagine giving your body a natural, easy boost in efficiency. This is fantastic news for anyone looking to manage their weight or just wanting to enhance their body's calorie-burning capability. A higher metabolism means your body is working more effectively throughout the day, helping you feel more energized and active. So next time you need a pick-me-up, why not reach for a cup of hot water? Hot water helps relieve nasal congestion. The steam from the hot water can open up your nasal passages, providing relief from congestion, especially during cold or allergy seasons. Hot water helps soothe a sore throat. If you're like me and prone to sore throats, particularly in the colder months, a cup of hot water with a little honey can be incredibly soothing. It reduces inflammation and provides a gentle coating to ease the pain. Whether you're dealing with seasonal allergies or a lingering cold, this natural remedy offers quick relief and adds a comforting touch to your self-care routine. Benefit number 6 is all about circulation. Hot water acts as a vasodilator, which means it helps expand your blood vessels. This improvement in blood flow can offer significant benefits, particularly if you struggle with poor circulation or often have cold hands and feet. Enhanced circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients are more efficiently delivered throughout your body, keeping your extremities warm and potentially reducing discomfort. By making hot water a part of your daily routine, you could see real improvements in your overall vascular health. The warmth of hot water has a calming effect on the central nervous system, which can help reduce feelings of stress and anxiety. It's a simple, natural way to unwind after a long day. Whether you're dealing with work stress, family obligations, or just the everyday hustle and bustle, a cup of hot water can be the soothing ritual you need to relax and reset. Drinking hot water helps to flush out toxins from your system, leading to clearer, more radiant skin over time. It's an easy way to give your skin a natural, healthy glow. Hot water can relieve menstrual cramps. The warmth relaxes the muscles of the uterus, providing relief from those painful cramps. It's a natural remedy that's both simple and effective. Whether you prefer drinking it plain or with a touch of honey, incorporating hot water into your routine during your menstrual cycle can make a significant difference in how you feel. Hot water supports weight loss. By boosting your metabolism and aiding digestion, hot water can help you maintain or even lose weight when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. It's a simple addition to your routine that aligns perfectly with your health goals. Incorporating hot water into your daily routine is easy. Start your morning with a cup of hot water instead of coffee, or make it a soothing bedtime ritual. And if plain water isn't your thing, try adding a slice of lemon or a dash of honey to enhance the flavor. The benefits are real and the commitment is minimal. If you're looking for a simple way to improve your health, why not give hot water a try? Thanks for tuning in to this episode of Getting Sexy Back. I hope you're inspired to try drinking hot water every day and experience these benefits for yourself. Don't forget to share your journey with us in the comments or on social media using the hashtag #HotWaterBenefits. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on living your healthiest life. I'm Anna, and I'll see you next time on Getting Sexy Back.